Today, we're diving into an exciting field that's bursting with potential and opportunities: cybersecurity. If you've ever wondered how to build a successful career in this field, stick around because we've got the ultimate roadmap for you. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting data. It's about safeguarding the digital world we live in. With the increasing reliance on technology, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing. So why cybersecurity? Reports from Cybersecurity Ventures reveal that by 2025, there will be a global shortage of 3.5 million skilled professionals in this field. That's massive. And did you know that if we consider cybercrime as a country, its financial impact would rank third in GDP, right after the US and China? This staggering statistic highlights the critical need for cybersecurity experts. It's a field where you can make a significant impact while enjoying job security and competitive salaries. Now, let's break it down. When we talk about cybersecurity, we mean protecting our digital assets, whether it's an app, a website, or a server. No system is 100% secure, but as cybersecurity professionals, your job is to make these systems as secure as possible. This involves identifying vulnerabilities, implementing protective measures, and staying ahead of potential threats. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that requires a proactive approach to problem solving. There are so many roles to explore in this field. You could become an ethical hacker, a white hat hacker, or specialize in a particular area based on your interests. As technology evolves, so do the threats. So it's a field where continuous learning is key. Whether you're interested in penetration testing, incident response, or security analysis, there's a niche for everyone. The diversity of roles ensures that you can find a path that aligns with your skills and passions. To start, you'll need to master some core concepts. First up is computer networking. Understanding how data moves across the internet is crucial. Next, dive into operating system security, focusing on how to identify and protect against attacks like SQL injections and distributed denial of service, or DDoS attacks. And don't forget programming. Learning a scripting language like Python or JavaScript can be a game changer. These foundational skills will equip you to tackle complex security challenges. Need resources? We've got you covered. Check out our recommended books and detailed notes in the description below. Also, consider earning certifications like the Offensive Security Certified Professional, or OSCP, or Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH. These can really set you apart, especially in the early stages of your career. Certifications demonstrate your expertise and commitment to the field, making you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. One more tip: network, network, network. Connecting with fellow professionals can open doors to job opportunities, freelance gigs, and more. Attend industry conferences, join online forums, and participate in local meetups to expand your professional circle. Building a strong network can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and collaboration opportunities that can accelerate your career growth. Remember, the most important step in any journey is the first one. Don't let the complexity intimidate you. Start small, keep learning, and with persistence, you'll build a successful career in cybersecurity.